Have you ever joined a call and people keep saying, "We can barely hear you"? If your headphone microphone sounds too quiet in Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your microphone louder in just a few minutes. First, make sure your headphones are connected to your Windows 11 PC. Now, right-click the Start button and select Settings. When the Settings window opens, click System on the left side. Next, select Sound. Scroll down until you reach the Input section. Here, you'll see the microphone currently being used by Windows. If you have multiple microphones connected, choose your headphone microphone from the list. Click on the microphone to open its settings. Look for Input Volume. This setting controls how loud your microphone sounds to other people. If the volume is low, drag the slider to the right. You can increase it all the way to 100% if needed. After adjusting the volume, speak into your microphone and watch the input meter. If the meter responds to your voice, your microphone is working correctly. Still too quiet? Let's increase the microphone level even more. Go back to the main sound settings page. Scroll down and click More Sound Settings. A new window will open. Click the Recording tab at the top. You'll see a list of all microphones connected to your computer. Find your headphone microphone, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the Properties window, open the Levels tab. Make sure the microphone slider is set to 100. If available, you'll also see a microphone boost option. Increase it gradually and test your microphone after each adjustment. Be careful not to raise it too high, as this can cause distortion, background noise, or an echo effect. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Apply, then click OK. Your microphone should now be noticeably louder. One more thing. Many applications have their own microphone settings. For example, in Discord, open User Settings, then Voice and Video, and confirm that your headphone microphone is selected as the input device. If you're using Zoom, OBS Studio, Microsoft Teams, or another app, check the microphone settings there as well. Sometimes the microphone volume is configured correctly in Windows, but the application's input volume is set too low. And that's it. You now know how to increase your headphone microphone volume in Windows 11 and make sure people can hear you clearly during calls, meetings, recordings, and streams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.